Dear students, hope you all are fine. Children, we know the spread of coronavirus has sent shock waves across the globe. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the whole world. This has stopped our natural flow of lives and movements. This presents a big challenge to public health and the world of work and our day to day life. Severe human sufferings, loss of human lives, rise in infected patients in the hospitals, and the consequences of serious cases of the disease bring stress, strain, sadness in our minds. Quarantine, homestay, isolation have affected our daily lives in every sphere due to COVID-19 pandemic. Children, the lockdown in response to COVID-19 have interrupted every sector around the world. The education system is also highly affected by this. This pandemic situation has affected the conventional education system. Yes, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the educational systems worldwide, leading to the near total closures of the schools, colleges, universities, and the other learning centers in response to the pandemic, uh, just for an attempt to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Dear children, you know conventional education system has been interrupted. Due to this, learning system has been maintained with the help of internet, television, radio. Even students depend on their own resources. Hats off to you. Children, you are having very tough time now to deal with this situation. Dear children, many of you are waiting for entrance exams. Many of you are waiting for admission tests to colleges and higher studies. Different exams are postponed in this situation. Different exams are stopped midway for an indefinite period due to this outbreak of COVID-19. Children, it is very obvious that stress, tension, anxiety, worries are mounting you up. Your minds are heavy now. This is quite natural. When this situation persists, prevails, or prolongs for an indefinite period, it is quite natural to get upset. This uncalled waiting indeed could be frustrating, boring, and stressful, especially when you simply don't know when this would get over or when this would end. But children, how about taking this time positively and considering it as an extra preparation time gifted to you? Yes, children, situation is not at our hands. Instead of being in panic or getting into boredom or being stressful, can we make full use of this indefinite period and utilize that to strengthen our preparations, study more, and explore well? This would surely help you later on. Children, get over your boredom in the company of your family members. In this quarantine period, spend lovely time with the members of your family. Even today, you can think them as your good companions. They can be good companions of your learning systems too. Take their help in memorization, mock tests, mock interview, or during revision time. They can be your good friends, good companions. This will create a good bonding with your family and, of course, reduce your stress if you share your problems with them. Dear children, give a new shape at your strategy. Children, make a list of tasks to do tomorrow. You can plan out before at night which subject to study tomorrow, which task to do tomorrow. You made a strategy for your preparation before. Please restructure the strategy with this extra time. Schedule a specific time for each subject and revision and divide this added time for an extra round of revision. This indefinite wait can be utilized well if you have a specific routine on task list to follow each day. Children, explore your career path this time. You have already figured out your career path. Hopefully, this extra time would be very beneficial for you. Explore as much as you can. Google on all sorts of information regarding the courses, colleges, curriculum for your further studies. Dear children, you must have a plan for preparation before this situation for your HSC board examination. Now you have got extra time. So, can you please reschedule or reframe your plan and timetable? Give all the subjects enough time for good revision. Study well, study in detail. Read those lessons which were not read by you well before. Practice writing the answers. Solve the exercises of different subjects. Speed up your work and have a good time management while answering model question papers. Children, get in touch with the syllabus instead of getting into boredom. Maintain your study time as you did before this situation. Make good use of this extra time. You can develop your language skill in this time. Build up your vocabulary and sentence structure. Children, bring more accuracy in your speech and more clarity in your expression. You can converse with your friends every day. It can be telephonic conversation too. Dear children, please search for every possible career option and be confident of your career choice. Form some good hobbies and nurture them in this extra time. Add physical exercises and meditation in the morning, evening to your list. Take rest well. Sufficient rest and relaxation will rejuvenate your mind, memory, and concentration. Be worry free, children. Do not stay alone in your study room for longer time. Do not binge on your mobile phone for longer time. Spend time with the members of your family. Speak up and share your mind with them. And obviously, follow the decorum of COVID-19. Do not go out until there is an extreme necessity. Stay at home, children. Wash your hands frequently and avoid the crowded places. Wear the mask properly and be positive. Stay blessed and wish you all the best. See you soon with my next video. Have a nice time.